In this specific video, the presenter, Lewis, would be giving you key insights into building your funnel and connection with customers who are looking for what you have to offer. So take it away, Lewis.
Okay, let's talk about something that sounds kind of like magic. What if you could build a machine, one that brings you new customers around the clock 24/7 for free? I know, it sounds a little too good to be true, but it's really not. That machine is called a marketing funnel. And today, we are going to build your very first one step by step. So, does your marketing ever feel like you're just spinning your wheels? You know, you're posting everywhere, you're trying everything, you're running as fast as you can, but you're not actually getting anywhere? If that sounds even a little bit familiar, you are in exactly the right place. And that feeling of getting nowhere, well, it usually looks a lot like this, doesn't it? It's that scattered strategy where you're doing a little bit of everything. It's that sinking feeling you get when you realize you're just losing money on ads. But I think the biggest one is that lack of a consistent, predictable system for new customers. It's just random tactics with, well, pretty much no results to show for it. But here's the good news. There is a way to stop all that chaos. And the solution isn't about working harder or throwing more money at the problem. Nope. It's about working smarter. It's about building a system. So let's dive in. We're going to find our way out of this marketing maze by really truly understanding one simple, powerful concept, the funnel. So what in the world is a funnel? Let's forget all the complicated marketing talk for a second. Just think of it like this. It's a system that takes someone from being a complete stranger who's just a little bit curious, and it guides them step by step until they become a customer who's actually ready to buy from you. It's a journey. So how do we actually get them from who are you to here, take my money? Well, it all breaks down into these three simple stages. First up is awareness. This is just where they find out you even exist. Then comes interest. This is where they kind of raise their hand and say, hey, I like what you're doing, usually by subscribing to something. And finally, you have decision, where you've given them so much value that they're ready to take that next step. And this right here, this quote really gets to the heart of it. The whole point isn't just about getting one customer. It's about building a system that automates the entire process. It frees you up from that constant grind of chasing clients, so you can actually focus on the parts of your business you love. Okay, you ready to lay the foundation for your very own client-attracting machine? It all starts with a super simple blueprint. All you have to do is answer three key questions. First things first, and this part is absolutely non-negotiable. Who are you talking to? I mean, really, you can't build a funnel without knowing your audience inside and out. So get specific. What are their biggest problems? What's the one thing that keeps them up at night that you can help solve? Question number 2. What's your ethical bribe? In the marketing world, we call this a lead magnet. Basically, it's something incredibly valuable that you give away for free in exchange for their email address. Think of it as the official start of your relationship with them. And the best lead magnets, like some of the ideas you see here, all do one thing really well. They solve a specific problem and give someone a quick win. So for example, if you're a fitness coach, don't just offer a generic workout guide. Offer something like a 5-minute desk stretch routine to eliminate back pain. See how specific that is? It's fast and it delivers immediate value. That's the secret sauce. And third, what is the one single next step you want them to take? Don't be vague here. Don't give them 5 different options. After they get your amazing freebie, what's the goal? Is it to book a call with you or maybe join your Facebook group? You have to tell them exactly what to do next. Make it crystal clear. All right, blueprint is done. Now it's time to actually build this thing. And you might be thinking this is the complicated tech part, but I've got some great news. A really powerful, effective funnel only needs 2 pages. That's it, just 2. So let's break down these 2 pages. First, you've got the opt-in page. Its only job in life is to get that email address. It just needs a killer headline about your freebie and a super simple form. Once they sign up, bam, they land on the second page, the thank you page. This page just confirms they were successful and gives them one clear instruction, which is usually go check your email. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. This all sounds great, but the software to build these pages and automate the emails, that's gotta be expensive. And you know what? It used to be, but not anymore. You can get started for a big fat zero. Seriously, there are these awesome all-in-one platforms out there like System.ioi that offer a free forever plan. And I'm not talking about a trial. It's a completely free account you can use to build your business. And just look at what a free plan like this can give you. We're talking about building up to 3 complete funnels, managing your contacts, and even automating your email marketing, all without paying a dime. You don't even need a credit card to sign up. It's an unbelievably powerful way to start building this asset for your business with absolutely zero risk. Okay, we've planned it. We've built the pages. Now, for my favorite part. Let's plug it all in and switch on the automation that makes this whole system work for you, even when you're not working. This is where the magic really happens. Look how simple this is. Step 1, a visitor gives you their email. Step 2, they instantly see your thank you page. And step 3 is at the exact same moment. The system automatically sends your lead magnet right to their inbox. No manual work from you at all. It just works. And that right there is the absolute game changer. It's like having the perfect salesperson on your team, working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, who never takes a vacation and never asks for a paycheck. This system generates leads while you sleep, freeing you up to focus on actually serving your customers. All right, let's wrap this all up. We've really gone on a journey here, haven't we? We've gone from the total chaos of the marketing maze to the calm, cool, collected clarity of an automated machine. This is the transformation we've been aiming for. You're swapping out those random hope and pray tactics for a predictable, systematic approach. You're not just making a sale anymore. You are building a true asset for your business that will keep paying off for years and years to come. So you have the blueprint now. You know the tools you can use. You understand the system. The only question left is this: what will your funnel build?